So a little while back, I actually ordered a new spy camera from wish.com. Do you want to see what actually arrived? Sports HD DV SQ11 Mini DV camera, full HD, 1920 by 1080p. Don't eat that. What do you think? I genuinely like the colors on this. I really like this thing, to be honest. On the bottom we have that proprietary port and the micro SD card slot. I love the design of this, but that's a cheap sticker. You see those seams? The sacrificial micro SD. Oh, it really doesn't lock into place. Oh. Oh no. It's stuck. It swallowed it whole. Oh no.